Welcome to the pulsating heart of innovation and partnership. Welcome to VivaMK World. Here, amidst the energy of our thriving community, we offer a unique opportunity to redefine business. I'm Michael Katkar, and it's my pleasure to guide you through what it means to be part of VivaMK. At VivaMK, putting people first isn't just a philosophy, it's our way of life. Every decision, innovation, and success story begins with listening to our partners and customers, ensuring that every voice is heard and valued. From our bespoke personalized gifts crafted in-house to the manufacture of select products, our extensive range caters to every need and occasion. Our catalogues and online platform empower you to earn a 25% commission on every sale, alongside additional bonuses, making every partnership both rewarding and fulfilling. Becoming a VivaMK partner opens doors to growth and community with flexible startup options, including a free start or minimal fee for our latest catalogues. Every partner receives their own customizable online shop, ready to attract customers immediately. Our operations span the entirety of the United Kingdom and Ireland, with swift delivery ensuring customer satisfaction. At the heart of VivaMK is our dedicated HQ team, the driving force behind our seamless operations. Every member embodies the spirit and values of VivaMK, working tirelessly to support our partners and ensure the success of our shared vision. Join us at VivaMK, where we're not just building businesses, we're crafting legacies. Your success as a partner brings us closer to our collective dream. If you're ready to embark on the journey and make history together, the time is now. To begin this exciting adventure, please contact the VivaMK partner who shared this video with you. Together, let's turn aspirations into reality.